Very good, bro. Very good. What a beautiful music. Hi everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to a brand new release by Mr. ALIP here. So the last release that was done by Mr. Bata was actually 2 months ago. We are here to wait patiently for his official releases because we all know that this man is capable of giving some extraordinary guitar playing skills. So this track is called Desi Ratnasari, okay? Tenda, Biru, Fingerstyle cover. So, without further ado, let's hear what Mr. Bata have for us today. Peace. Very good, bro. Very good. What a beautiful music. Very skillful. Very skillful. And he's playing the guitar, plucking the guitar strings as if it's something simple. That is not simple to do, bro. And to keep on that track without making any form of mistakes, that's quite a phenomenon. Wow, wow, beautiful. A sound to my ears. Very good, my G. Very good. I'm your favorite guitarist from Jamaica. In Jamaica, we do have our guitarist, but he's not as skilled as Mr. Bata here. Mr. Bata is very skilled, very unique, very professional player. His professionalism, it's at its best now. Trust me. This is some high level playing. Very good, Mr. Butter. Very good. And at the end of the video, he takes a smoke to cool his mind, to think about what he's gonna do next. And my wait is not in vain. I'm sorry for my reaction so late. It's because of so much that I've been doing, that I was doing, that led me up to here. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like and smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next ALIP Butter reaction. Peace.